ExxonMobil's mega investment project in Huizhou, South China's Guangdong province, made new progress as it completed the hoisting of heavy equipment and started the construction of a technology center on Wednesday. The Technology Center is ExxonMobil's first integrated center of its kind outside the North American headquarters, with pilot plant, product development, and process development.
It's going to improve our research and development capability in China. It's going to hopefully make it attractive for scientists, for researchers to come and work in this area, so we can work on development of new products and we can work on development of new technologies here in Taiwan. It is very, very exciting.
With a total investment of about $10 billion, the ExxonMobil Huizhou Ethylene Project is located in the Huizhou Daya Bay Petrochemical Industrial Park and is one of China's major foreign investment projects. The first phase of the project mainly includes a steam cracker and production facilities for performance polyethylene and polypropylene.